Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I am making a very refreshing drink, orange peach punch. For this here I have taken 1 cup of peaches. I have roughly chopped the peaches with skin on. I have just discarded the seed. This is carbonated orange drink, 1 cane, 250 ml. 1/4 cup of water and 1 heaped tablespoon of orange drink mix. Now here in this blender I will add peaches. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Orange drink mix and water. And now I will blend these 3 ingredients first. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now here I have blended peaches, orange drink mix and water. Now I will add in this orange carbonated drink. Bismillah. And now I will cover the blender and I will blend this again. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now here I have blended all the ingredients and at this stage this is done. Very simple, quick, easy and refreshing. Orange peach punch is ready to be served. I have not added ice because all the ingredients are very chilled, and I have not added sugar because drink mix and this carbonated drink, they both are sweet. But still if you want you can add in sugar and ice also. I hope you like this video. See you soon in my next video inshallah. Till then, fi amanullah, take care and Allah Hafiz.